What's up YouTube, it's your boy Techman back at it again. Alright, got a new video for you guys. I got the new iPhone X Maximus and I'm super pumped. Ever since they came out with the iPhone X, I kind of knew for sure they were going to come out with a Plus model, and that's kind of what I've been waiting for, and here it is. Finally got the gold edition, and I got the 256 gig version, and can't wait. All right, you guys ready? Let's do this. Alright, so this stuff came with a few paperwork. You've already seen all the other videos, kind of quick how-to guide, nothing too serious, and we'll just put that on the side for now. Woo. There goes that new phone, fellas. Damn, I gotta say it feels good. Like, the color is dope. Like, this is nice. Alright, so I'll just push this over for a second, put this down, and as you can see, kind of like what everybody said, you got your little wall plug, earbuds, and your lightning cable. So alright, let's take that all aside and look at this thing that we got over here. Woo! Alright, so couple of little things that I've noticed. I noticed like the power button is larger than the old version. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. I'm not sure about the volume up buttons, but I have my iPhone 7 Plus here, kind of for comparison's sake, and it's the same gold model, but you could tell that the gold is way different this year, and I'm not sure if it shows well on the phone, but yeah, like I said, the power button, like you can see, is definitely like twice the size, and the location of the SIM tray is a little bit different this time around. As far as the volume up and volume down, that kind of seems the same, and the bands look different too this time. Alright fellas, let's get this going. Alright fellas, so here we go. Got the, off the bat though, I could say for some reason this feels a little heavier than the 7 Plus. I don't know if it's just me, but you could tell there's a little bit of a weight difference here, but this definitely feels real good. And just for an idea, here goes the old school 5S. So you got the XX Max. The 5 just looks like a toy next to this. Check this out. Look at how much difference you got over here. Wow, we've gone a long way, fellas. It's definitely been a while. All right, so let's push this all aside now and take a look at this. Oh wow, okay, so this kind of sucks. I pretty much lost a bunch of footage, and I lost all my audio while I was trying to hook up the phone. I guess chuck it up to a rookie mistake. So I was using my iPhone 7, recording the iPhone XS, and apparently got synced together, messed up the program I was using to record, and now I just got video with no audio. And then for some parts I lost the video and I had the audio. So anyway, I just kind of scrubbed all that out, and I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover for the rest of the video. Alright, so this here, I kind of set up the phone already, and I picked up the Spigen armor case, which I've been using for my 7 Plus. I really like this, so I figured, hey, why not get it for the XX Max. And I also got a glass protector. I kind of prefer the glass protector to the plastic ones. I know there's a difference, but I kind of prefer the glass for some reason. I just like how it feels, I like how it looks, and a lot of times when I drop my phone, the glass breaks first, and I can just replace that, and usually the phone stays safe. So first impressions, I like the phone. Like, missing the home button is the hardest thing so far, but the camera is sick. Like, all the pictures I have are all nighttime and they all came out awesome. I didn't get a chance to compare it to the 7 Plus because I didn't have it with me. I kind of just went out for dinner downtown Detroit, and I just figured, hey, while I'm out, take some pictures and throw them on this recording, see how everything looks. So hopefully next week I'll get a chance to get a better review out. And if you have any comments or suggestions, or if you got any questions about the phone, just let me know. I'm trying my best to get everything answered and put into the next video. All right, thanks a lot.